Welcome my people, welcome back to the vlog. I want to show you today, this is the Corksport lowering springs. This is for the 2019 plus Mazda 3 and 2021 Mazda 3 Turbo. You say it right there, right? 2019 plus Mazda 3 and 2021 plus Mazda 3 Turbo. This is supposed to be for it. But all of the sudden, they realized it get too low. So they actually made new ones for the 2021 plus Mazda 3 Turbo, and they're gonna be red. They are red. You can watch the video from Corksport. They are red now. But when I ordered this, I have my non-turbo 2020 Mazda 3. But it took 2 months for me to receive this. And now that I have them, I already have the 2021 turbo. So I was like, okay, so if they're gonna do new ones for the turbo, then let me see if they can exchange it for me. But no, they give me a hard time. So I say, all right, you know what, forget it. I just keep this one. I don't care if it get lower, you know what I mean? The lower the better, I guess, as long as it's not too crazy. So that's what I got here. So I believe these ones are from the front, and the ones with the rubber piece are for the back. I pay like, I would say like almost $270 probably for this with shipping and everything. But it took 2 months, because they were back ordered, so they didn't have any, which I kinda didn't like, because you know what I mean. If they are out of stock, they should put it on the website, on the link. Like whenever you're gonna buy them, it should say this item is out of stock right now. So like that, you have an idea. And if you wanna go ahead and pull the trigger and buy them and wait for them, then you at least got the option. You know what I mean? So if you don't feel like waiting and you're in a rush, you probably buy them from a different place. But no, they didn't have that. They just let me know after I bought them. So yeah. So I just want to show you. Whenever you open the box, this is right me opening the box just now. So it's just gonna come with this. It brought a sticker. I think I threw it away. It brought a sticker, and then it give you like all the instructions, and it got like pictures and everything on the instructions, which is pretty cool. So, but yeah, this is right here. This is the one for the back. I'll show you the one for the back. So I'm gonna be installing this once I get the tool to roll the fenders. I'm gonna roll my fenders a little bit just to be on the safe area. This is for the back. That's why you got that rubber there, so it keep the sound. It doesn't make that metal sound hitting each other. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna roll my fenders a little bit. Just the ones on the front, because the one in the back is pretty good. It's just the one on the front, they got this little piece of metal sticking out, and I just want to make sure I don't mess my tires up. So I'm gonna roll them fenders, and then as soon as I get them rolled, then I'm gonna put this on, and then as soon as I put this on, I'm gonna get the car alignment. Then after I get the car alignment, then I'm gonna drop some new wheels on it, and use the tires from the factory wheels. But anyway, hit the subscribe button, keep following the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, please hit the like button if you like the video. If you want to keep seeing my video, hit the bell. And until the next one, man, be safe.